In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from Gmail on your phone. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Gmail on your device. Now head over to your account and click on the top right corner of your screen. And here, go ahead and click on Manage Accounts on this device, and this will redirect you to the settings page. Now click on Google in here, and this will redirect you to a page where you'll be able to find all the signed in Google account on your device. Now in here, go ahead and click on the Google account that you want to log out from your device and click on More. Now in here, go ahead and select remove account and click on remove account to confirm logging out or removing this account from your device. Once you click on remove account, this account will be removed from your device. And that's how you can simply log out from Gmail on your phone. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.